What's up, tech downloaders, and welcome to another one of our unboxings. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Tab S4. This is Samsung's newest tablet that just came out. This is also kind of an alternative to the iPad Pro. It's a little bit cheaper. It is on an Android platform. So we're going to go through the unboxing, show you exactly what comes with it so you know what to expect when you make your purchase. Now, if you enjoyed the video, guys, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also share your thoughts and comments always down below the video. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Alright guys, so as you can see, the tablet itself comes with a variety of things. One of the first being the actual tablet, and we'll take a look at what that looks like in a second. The second thing is going to be the S Pen. So this is actually different from if you purchased an iPad Pro and wanted to purchase that Apple Pencil. That is a separate accessory, whereas this S Pen comes with the actual tab, and it works similar to what you would find on the Note line of S Pens. The difference that the newer Note has kind of a Bluetooth connection, and this one is like the older S Pens where it's not Bluetooth compatible, so it doesn't need a battery, it doesn't recharge, but I'm pretty sure it'll work similar to any kind of the other S Pens that you would use if you've ever used one from Samsung. So you have some instructions as well. You have the tips for the S Pen, you have a fast charger, and of course the USB Type-C fast charging cable. Okay, so as you can see, tablet S Pen. I will say that the tablet does feel really premium. Samsung does a good job of making it feel like a really quality product. As always, though, it is a fingerprint magnet, and you can kind of see that immediately as soon as I start touching it. It has a glass back, Gorilla Glass on the front of the tablet as well. We have some buttons on either side. So this is power, volume rocker. We have speakers surrounding. So this is AKG tuned. So it actually has a pretty good tuned speakers, and I hear that if you connect some really nice headphones to it, you guys get a really premium sound quality. So we're going to power it up. Okay, so when you're powering up the tablet for the first time, you're going to be met with some on-screen instructions that you can kind of go through in order to complete the setup. The instructions are actually pretty simple. Let's see if the S Pen works immediately, or does it have to be paired with the tablet or anything? No, it actually works immediately. So then you're going to select your Wi-Fi so the tablet can connect to the internet and start the process of downloading. So the next screen you're going to get is some terms and conditions, and you can kind of just go through and accept, and then it's going to be checking for updates since you're connected to the internet. It should only take a couple of minutes, and then it's going to ask you to sign in with your Gmail account. So you can just enter your Gmail account in. It's going to register, sign in, and then I'll do that now so you guys can kind of get an idea of what the next screen looks like. So once you've signed in with your account, it's now going to ask you to set up your security settings. So in order to sign into the tablet, you have the option to set up the intelligent scan, which is a combination of the face recognition with the iris scanning. You can just do face recognition, you can just do iris scanning, or you can just set up a PIN, password, or pattern. I'm not going to set up anything at the moment, so I would definitely suggest that you guys set up some kind of security. I'm skipping over because we're just doing this for demonstration purposes, and then it does warn you that you should activate some kind of security in case the tablet gets lost or stolen. So then it's going to go in, and you can access your backups from the Google account that you currently have. So if you did have an Android phone previously, or you have some Google Drive backups, it gives you the ability to access those backups from here. And then once you're in the main screen here, now it gives you an ability to sign into a Samsung account. Now, if you had like a Samsung phone, like an S9, S8, Note 9, any kind of Samsung phone, you know you have a Samsung account that's completely separate from your Gmail account, and that's the account that you would use to sign into this particular setting here. You can also create a new account if you don't have one. We're just going to skip that for now, and we're going to finish. And then it brings you into the home screen. All right, so it's really the Android interface that you're kind of used to if you've ever used a Samsung phone before. It's kind of the same interface. The tablet itself is gorgeous. We're gonna go run it through its paces, and then we'll give you a full breakdown of some of its features and benefits. In case you guys do decide to purchase it, you can make a good buying decision. That's gonna do it for our unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S 4. Great device, feels really premium. It's a lot cheaper than buying an iPad Pro, so if you're looking for an option that's different, this definitely could be a way to go. If you guys enjoyed the video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also share your thoughts and comments down below, and any questions you may have about the tablet that we can answer, share those in the comment section as well. Thank you for checking out the video, and until next time, peace out.